Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I was looking for that perfect everyday earring that would not bother my ears, and I found them thanks to these MAZZERI gold hoop earrings. So these are 14 karat gold, and I'm wearing the 10mm size. It's the smallest they come in, and to say that I'm thrilled would be an understatement. I love these earrings mostly because they are such a classic, beautiful look. You don't need to change your earrings every day. You can wear these like I did for 3 weeks straight without taking them out, and they won't bother your ears at all, and they'll suit any outfit that you wear. So I like the fact that I wore these earrings to bed. I wore them in the shower. I wore them on my runs to the gym. I didn't take them out. They didn't bother my ears. They didn't fall out. They're just the perfect earring for that everyday look. And if you like to dress up your look, you like to have wear other earrings. I have 2 holes, so I did actually put these in my second hole, and I wore them with other earrings, and I really loved that look. I even wore them to a wedding on the beach this month, and they're just the perfect earring. I think that they're just so cute and so delicate, and I just feel like they would suit anyone. They also come in a really cute box, so it's a no-brainer for a gift idea. Any woman in your life would love these earrings, no matter what size you decide to get them. They are quite thin, and they don't have a traditional hinge like a lot of hoop earrings do have. So I found that putting them in from the back and forward was a really nice, easy way to get them to hook. And like I said, they didn't come out at all the whole 3 weeks I was wearing them. For size reference, these are the 10mm. They're a lot smaller than a dime, but I really love the nice, close, huggy look that they give my ears. So I would not hesitate to get these earrings. You will love them. They're such high quality. They're so beautiful. But that's just my point of view.